हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट आरआरबी एनटीपीसी एंड ग्रुप डी एग्जामिनेशन प्रिपरेशन में आपका स्वागत है। हम लोग कंप्यूटर एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन तैयार कर रहे हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। दैट इज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रैम इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड। रैम को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? रीड एंड राइट मेमोरी, लॉन्ग मेमोरी, परमानेंट मेमोरी, प्राइमरी मेमोरी। व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? रैम इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड, दैट इज़ योर A, that is read slash write memory is the right answer. RAM क्या कहलाता है? RAM is the read slash write memory. RAM is also called read slash write memory. 157 dash is a store data or information temporarily and pass it on as directed by the control unit. What is the answer? Dash store data या information. What is the right answer? That is your register. Register store data या information temporarily and pass it on as directed by the control unit. 128 पे आ जाते हैं दोस्तों. What is the select the odd one out सेलेक्ट करना है आपको. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होगा आंसर कि इंटरप्रिटेटर, कंपाइलर एंड असेंबलर. What is the right answer? That is your operating system, just differ from these are things. Next question. A dash is an additional set of commands that the computer display after you make a selection from a main menu. A dash is an additional set of commands. क्या होगा इसका right answer? सोचिए आप लोग. 129. What is the right answer? That is dialog box. 130. COBOL is an acronym for. COBOL is an acronym for. What is the right answer? That is your A, common business oriented language. COBOL is an acronym for common business oriented language. Next question. 131. All of the following are examples of real security and privacy risks except. क्या होगा इसका आंसर? All of the following are the examples of real security and privacy risk except. That is spam. What is the answer? Is spam. 132. Which of the following is not one of the four major data processing functions of a computer? क्या होगा इसका आंसर? Which of the following is not one of the four major data processing functions of a computer? That is your analyzing the data or information. क्या होगा right answer? Analyzing the data or information. Next question. 133. All of the following are the examples of storage devices except. All of the following are examples of storage devices except. What is the right answer? That is your printers. Printer is the right answer. Next question. The CPU and memory are located on the. The CPU and memory are located on the. What is the right answer? CPU and memory are located on the. That is your answer is motherboard. CPU and memory are located कहाँ पे होंगे? Motherboard में होंगे. 135 question. Dash is the science that attempts to produce machines that display the same types of intelligence and that humans do. What is the right answer? That is artificial intelligence. Servers are computers that provide resource to other computers connected to a, क्या कहलाएगा, servers are computers that provides resources to other computers connected to a, that is your mainframe. क्या कहलाएगा, mainframe. When creating a computer program, the DAS designs the structures of the program. What is the right answer? Is system analyst is the right answer. Question number 138. A computer program that converts an entire program into machine language at one time is called an, a computer program that converts an entire program into machine language at one time is called an. What is the right answer? That is your characters. क्या कहलाएगा, characters. A computer program that converts an entire program into machine language at one time is called as character. Computers process data into information by working exclusive with. What is the right answer? That is your numbers. Next question 140. The difference peoples with access to computers and the internet and those without this access is known as, the difference between peoples and with access to computers and the internet and those without access is known as. What is the right answer? That is digital divide. Digital divide is the right answer. Next question. Computers manipulate data in many ways and this manipulation is called, क्या कहलाएगा? Computers manipulate data in many ways and this manipulation is called. What is the right answer? That is your upgrading. Upgrading is the right answer. 142 का question है, the ability to recover and read deleted या damaged files from a criminal's computers and examples of law of enforcement specialty is called. What is the right answer? That is your computer forensic. Computer forensic is the right answer. The ability to recover and read deleted the damaged files from a criminal's computers and examples of law enforcement specialty is called computer forensic. Next question. Where does most data go first within computer memory hierarchy? What is the right answer? That is your RAM. RAM is the right answer. Next question. The DAS data mining technique derives rules from real world case examples. क्या होगा इसका आंसर? रियल वर्ल्ड केस एग्जाम्पल्स. C. That is your neutral nets. Neutral net is the right answer. DAS are used to identify a user who returns into a website. DAS are used to identify the user who returns to website. What is the right answer? That is your cookies. Cookies are used to identify a user who returns to a website. 146. Codes consisting of lines of varying width or length that are computer readable are known as. What is the right answer? A barcode. A barcode is the right answer. Why is it unethical to share copyrighted files with your friends? Why is it unethical to share copyrighted files from your friends? that is sharing copyright files without permission breaks copyrights law. Question number 48, reusable optical storage will be typically have the acronym. What is the right answer? That is your RW. RW is the right answer. The most common types of storage device are. What is the right answer? That is your optical. Optical is the right answer. Next, the last question 150, that is a device that connected to a network with the use without the use of cables is said to be. That is your none of these. Thanks for watching and sharing.